course the sirens go when I start to film. Hi guys, welcome back. So I feel like I haven't like done like a talkie video or even like a voiceover video in so long. Like I feel like the ones that I've just been posting recently are just silent music in the background, you know. So I felt like just sitting down and talking with you guys. So this will probably be a little bit of a longer video, but you guys wanted to see it anyway. So on my Instagram, which I'll put somewhere on the screen or link somewhere. On my Instagram, I put up a poll asking if you guys wanted to see an Ariana Grande No Tears Left to Cry look or a Princess Vibes hairstyles look, and it was honestly really close. Yeah, no, it's a 60-40 split, but honestly it was like going like back and forth like all day. So because it's so close, and you know, like Ariana Grande didn't like win by a landslide or anything, I'll probably still do the hairstyles video. I don't know, maybe I'll film that one next or something like that. I'll have it, you know, you guys will see both of them eventually. But yeah, so if you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, ew, what happened to my voice? If you're not already following me on Instagram, like I said, I'll link it somewhere on the screen so you guys can come follow me, connect with me. I post on, obviously I post polls on there asking what you guys want to see. I post looks that I've done. If you guys ever want me to like recreate them on here, I totally can. I post when I have videos going up, so you guys are like the first to know. So, or like even when I'm like just editing them, so you guys like know like what's coming up next. Or anyway, so if you guys want that, I'll have it on the screen somewhere, or I always put it in my description box. And so yeah, so I got my little clippies going on here. So I think we're ready to start. So I'm doing the look where she's like in like all like surrounded by like the lights and everything, the little string lights and whatever, and it's kind of like this pinkier look. I think it's slightly different because she has like this other look in the beginning that's like smoky and it has like the winged liner, and it's got like a little bit of like glitter in the liner and stuff like that. I think this one's different because this one looks pinkier. Like that one looks more like neutral tone. This one looks very pinky. And her hair is also much different, and she's wearing like a different outfit, so pretty sure 2 different looks, but you know. A little like, I tried so hard to like screenshot from the music video, and it was so hard to get to like see like her eyes closed, but up close, and like she has like one part where like you can like her like head's like kind of like tilted back, you know, like you can like her eyes are open, but like you can see like the shadows and everything, but like her head's like constantly like moving out of the frame. I'm like, god dang it, I can't get this. But I think I got enough shots that I can, I literally just like sat there like screenshotting like the entire like scene. Yeah, I think I got enough that I think I know that I think I can make a good like interpretation off of it. And I don't think I've seen anybody recreate this one. I saw people recreate the really glittery one and the like more neutral smoky eye in the beginning with the like glitter liner, but this one doesn't seem to have any glitter liner. It looks like she has like one single dot of glitter, like a one single like sparkle, and unfortunately I don't have sparkles to do that. But you know, we'll still get the look. To start off, her skin has a pretty like natural finish. It's not necessarily like super dewy. Like she's got a little bit of highlighter on, I can see, but her skin isn't like, her foundation looks like a pretty natural finish. I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. I'm going to go with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I'm pretty sure this one is discontinued. Another good one, which I don't think is discontinued, I'm not entirely sure, but another good one would be the Lorac Natural Performance Foundation. But I just wanted to go with this one. concealer. This one just has really good coverage again. Helps get that full coverage look. Contour V-Shape Duo Stick. Looks like this. I literally only use this for the contour side. I'll try to make my nose look like hers, but I usually fail at that, so I really need to slim mine down for one. This is like an inspired look. I'm not trying to turn myself into her because I look nothing like her, and I don't even have like a wig to have her beautiful long white hair. But you know, hers is kind of like upturned, so I'm gonna kind of put a little shading in here underneath my nose. A little like in the front of my nostrils, you know. And then I'll kind of do like a little line right about here, like where the right before I tip my nose, just to kind of give that like upturned effect. She has a much smaller nose than I do. So the powder I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. This just gives like a really natural finish. I'm really just going to apply it where I need it. What is Afterglow? I always forget the name of this. Afterglow blush in Score. I'm going to use this mixed with light shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette. This one right here. What are you? You're the third one over. Silk Cream. I'm going to mix those two together because I want it like a pinky brown, but more pink than brown. Yeah, like I said, transition shade. Kathleen Lights and Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade right there. It's kind of like a muted mauve-y, burgundy, purple-y sort of shade. Do what you may with that information. I'm just taking it on the same brush, and I'm kind of putting it in the same area, basically. Shades around, and I think I found the right combination to make that deep hot pink shade that's kind of like in the outermost corner. I took this from the same Kathleen Lights and Morphe palette. I took this like deeper burgundy color. Maybe if I, there you go, and I mixed it with this Steve Laurent blush in Rosé All Day. It looks like this. So it kind of looks like that. Again, the lighting might be washing it out a little bit, but so that is really going to be focused in the outer corner. And I'm using a smaller brush, a smaller, more defined brush to place that. And then I'll probably use like the same brush that I I applied like the crease color and everything. If I need to blend, which assumedly so, I probably will need to blend. Right here. It's kind of like just like a, God, I can't grab it the right way. Like a true rose gold. It might be too dark. So, Obsessed, right there. Same as always. The Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. I'm gonna go with the NYX Strobe Genius palette. I'm taking this lighter shade right here, and I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner. Need to find Girl, you're really playing some games. I think what I'm gonna do is, because I have very almond shaped eyes, sometimes liner on my lower lash line looks okay, but usually not when I don't know, I feel like I personally don't like my eye shape when, or like how my eyes look when I have like wing liner and liner on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, if you have like big beautiful eyes, then put it in your lower, what is this thing called, your waterline. So yeah, do that. But I'm gonna do gray instead of black, just to be a little softer, for one, because like I said, in some photos it looks like there's something there, in other like angles it looks like there's not, so I'm gonna just go softer. This is the Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner in Pewter. It's just a gray shade. You could also use a brown, or if you just want to go full black, do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to line where my lashes are rather than on my waterline. I'm going to do that same mixture of the Urban Decay Score and the, what shade were you? Silk Cream. That pinky brown mixture. I'm gonna do a little more brown than pink this time, hopefully. Maybe we'll see how it turns out, but that's my aim. And put that on my lower lash line to kind of blend it and make it softer. So now for lashes, I'm gonna do the Ardell Demi Wispy Studio FX. I guess I said for the name. They look like this. I picked these ones because they were like really like flared at the ends, and honestly it kind of looked like her lashes were like, it was so hard to see like her lashes, like it was hard to see like everything. But it looked like they were just very full, and I could tell that they were kind of like, what is that word I just used? They were like flared out in the ends. Words. Anyway, so I'm going to be using those. I have to sneeze. Guess not. Wait. I don't normally do lashes for looks, but I was like, dude, how could I not do lashes for this look? 'Cause they did not look this big in the packaging, but you know, we're gonna work with it. It's cool. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Oh, of course, it's okay. Wet n Wild Color Icon Ticket to Brazil bronzer, and I'm using a really like loose bristled brush like this to apply it, just so it's nice and soft. that same Score blush that I used in the crease. Come on. And using this light pink shade right there. Using the Essence Eyebrow Designer in Blonde. Slightly glossy, kind of nudie pink lip. So I'm going to be using the Be a Bombshell Pout Potion in Secret. So here is our Ariana Grande No Tears Left to Cry inspired makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!